Hello friends, welcome to the channel. I am Adit Nair. Today I am going to discuss about the top 4 major domains of the earth. So let's get started. First of all, I would like to start this video by telling about the 4 major domains of earth. So what are they? They are lithosphere, biosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere. Now I am going to describe about these 4 domains of the earth. So first we can start with lithosphere. So the lithosphere consists of various rocks and minerals. In simple words, it is the solid portion of the earth which we live. The word lithos in the Greek means rock. It covers about 29% of the earth's total surface. The lithosphere consists of all types of land masses. Large land masses are known as continents, which are surrounded by very large water bodies known as the oceans. Lithosphere also consists of many minerals and rocks as well. So, we have now discussed about what is a lithosphere. Now, the second major domain of the earth is none other than the hydrosphere itself. So, what is an hydrosphere? The hydrosphere is a combined mass of water. It includes all water bodies found on the earth, such as the oceans, the rivers, the lakes, the underground water, and the water vapor in the air. About 71% of the earth's total surface is covered with water. Approximately 97% of the total water is found on oceans. But it is too salty for the human use and for the irrigation purposes. A large portion of the rest of the water is in the form of ice sheets and glaciers, also in the underground, under the ground. But this water maybe will be too cool for usage for human beings. A very small percentage is available as fresh water for human use. Therefore, despite being a blue planet for Earth, we face water crisis, which is a surprising thing to know. So we have now studied about what is a hydrosphere. In simple words, hydrosphere is a state of water in liquid, gaseous and solid form. Now we can discuss about the third major domain of the earth, and it is none other than atmosphere. We all know what is atmosphere, do we? Atmosphere is the air that envelops the earth is called atmosphere. In simple words, we can say that that is a gaseous cover that surrounds the earth. It has many gases that are oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, etc. And oxygen is the most richest there. So, the exact thickness of the atmosphere is not unknown. Some scientists believe that the atmosphere extends about to 1,600 kilometers above the sea level, which is quite huge. There are 5 layers of the atmosphere according to the composition, temperature and other properties. These layers vary in thickness. Starting from the Earth's surface, these layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. The lowest layer of the atmosphere is called as a troposphere. It is close to the Earth's surface and is very important for the living beings. Troposphere is approximately 18 km high above the equator and 8 km above the poles. Water vapor and dust particles are found only in this layer. Almost 90% of the total air of the atmosphere is present, none other in the troposphere. The atmosphere is held to the earth by the force of gravity. The atmosphere is necessary for the existence of life on earth and is also very important for living organisms. We survive by breathing oxygen that is present in the atmosphere. If there had been no atmosphere, the Earth would have been lifeless like other planets in the solar system. And now we are going to discuss about the fourth and the last major domain of the earth, and it is none other than biosphere. The term bios means life in Greek. Hence, biosphere is the life-giving realm to the earth. There are many examples if you are looking for biosphere. We humans itself, elephants, giraffe, and all the living beings. In simple words, all the things that have life are also known as biosphere. The biosphere is made up of all living organisms of the earth, as well as the physical environment in which they live and with which they interact. Biosphere is the domain of living organisms, where lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere meet and interact with each other. Compared to the size of the earth, the biosphere is very small. Plants, animals, human beings and microorganisms are the parts of biosphere. All the living organisms, including us, human beings, are linked to each other and to the biosphere for their survival. The three domains of the earth interact with each other and affect each other in some way or other. In ancient times, if you see, human beings were totally dependent on the environment for their existence. Now, the growing needs of the rising population in the world has necessitated the development of new techniques for increasing food production and other demands. As a result, the risk of imbalance between various domains of the earth has also been increased day by day. Thus, for long life of the earth, we need to use the resources of the earth in a limited manner. And also now I would like to end the video by showing a drawing, and it is a drawing that is done. So here it shows all the four major domains of the earth. They are hydrosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. So in this all, atmosphere is present in the clouds where gases are formed, where hydrosphere it is a river. So I have told that all water bodies that are found on the earth is hydrosphere, so it is a hydrosphere, and some fishes are also there. Followed by lithosphere, it is the soil, the land where human beings, us and all the living organisms live. Some animals such as rabbits and all dig holes in it and live. And then we can look at biosphere. Biosphere, so we all know that trees are also living organisms. So they are also discussed as biosphere. So this is a drawing that has all the four major domains of the earth. I hope that you like this video, and if you did, kindly subscribe the channel, and also for more such interesting studies and all, kindly subscribe, like and share the video also. Thank you.